If you don't know how to access ChatGPT, go to google.com and search for ChatGPT. The OpenAI, introducing ChatGPT, is the first link displayed in the search results. Click on it. This will open the ChatGPT homepage. Now, click on the Try ChatGPT button. It will prompt you to log in or sign up, but for now, you can also use it without login by simply clicking on the Stay Logged Out link. Now you are seeing the text box, where you can enter your input for questions or whatever prompt you would like to provide to ChatGPT. In simple terms, this is the place where you provide your queries to ChatGPT and it will provide you a response based on your input. For example, let us ask a simple math question. What is 2 multiplied by 25? You can see the response is generated within milliseconds, and the answer is displayed as 2 multiplied by 25 equals 50, which is absolutely correct. Now let's try another example. Let's ask ChatGPT to list the flower names. Boom! There you go. This is a big list of flower names for you. You can also limit the output by just giving a number of values you need. For example, list me 10 fruit names. There you go. Here is the list of 10 fruit names. Now let us try a more specific question. List me the fruits which are available in winter. ChatGPT provides you a response based on your specific inputs and shows the fruits list which are available in winter. So far, we have tried without logging into ChatGPT. Now let's try to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to sign in. Enter your valid username and password to log in. Upon logging in, you can view the same text button to search, but you can view all your prompt history on the left side. You may click on any of the links in the history to view the details. Click on the New button to create a new prompt. Now, let us say you need to prepare an essay or a presentation for your school homework about seasons. I just typed in to explain me about seasons. That's a lot of information. The output is very well organized with titles for each season and subtitles with bullet points. But this is too much information for kids to present in the classroom, so I will ask ChatGPT to summarize this content with one line for each season. Also, I would like the content to be presented in interesting tone for grade 4 students. Now, see the magic of ChatGPT. It has summarized the content within a single line for each season. Now let us add some more information to our content by just entering the prompt. For example, I would like to add the preferred food and clothes to wear in each season. Our required information is added to the content. But the content looks like a paragraph, which doesn't look interesting and doesn't seem like attention-grabbing for kids. So I am again asking ChatGPT to display the content in bullet points. Wow. That's what I was looking for. Now the content is very clean and well organized for each season with bullet points and respective emotion icons. But our initial assignment is to create a presentation or an essay about seasons. So let's ask ChatGPT to present this information in a presentation format. Here you go. Your content for the presentation is ready in a slide-by-slide mode with clear titles and content to be displayed in each slide. Additionally, ChatGPT has added a conclusion slide. We can copy this entire text using the copy button at the bottom and simply paste this text in your presentation. In this video, we use Google Slides to create a presentation for free of cost and copy the content we generated in ChatGPT into a new Google slide. So, this is how we can create a presentation or essay or any of your school homework using ChatGPT very quickly and efficiently. That's all for now. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment your suggestions. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.